Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can upload receipt and convert it to an expense on QuickFile accounting software. To record expense and upload receipt, we need to go to Purchases section and click on Receipt Hub. From here, click on Browse to select a receipt. So in my case, I have fuel receipt for $4.79. Okay. To convert to an expense, I need to click on Tag Me, add amount, and press Enter. Now I can create a new purchase. Supplier, in this case, it will be me as an employee because I have actually provided this receipt. Description, I added the petrol to go to supplier meeting. Supplier reference, this would be a reference of receipt. So there is receipt number 3652. Receipt date, I will select that I provided 15 and it's due on 15 in my case. And category will be fuel. So there is fuel and oil motor, okay? If you have project tax, you can add those there. And also if you have paid or company have paid to you already back, you can provide details there where it has been paid from. In my case, I haven't, this has been not paid yet, and create new purchase. We'll click back to main screen and there is petrol expense recorded. When you click on view, you can see a purchase details provided there and it's overdue, it has been not paid yet. Once payment will be made, you can log a payment selecting from which account, maybe even cash account, it has been paid. So in this episode, I showed you how you can upload receipt and convert it to an expense on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.